Hello everyone, welcome to the channel The Crypto Forex Trader. Today we are diving into the topic cryptocurrency, as today I decided to share you some trade ideas in crypto for swing trades, right? Okay, let's get started. Here we have a cryptocurrency in a small cap, that is Solana USD, right? I have marked some levels for you guys so that you can understand. Okay, now here this is the resistance area which I have marked, that is tested several times, one, two, three, and after the third and fourth time, it gives a clear breakout of this resistance zone, right? And now we have our setup formed after the breakout. And most important thing is, this trade is for swing only, right? You can take this trade for swing to hold for some days, right? 2 3 4 days, okay? And now let's understand this setup first. Here, when market gives a clear breakout of this resistance zone, we have our inside bar golden setup formed here, right now. When market formed this inside bar, right, as you can see here, this inside bar, because what our setup teach us, as you know, in our first video I have already discussed about each and every points based on that setup, right? Inside bar golden setup. So kindly go and watch that video as well after you complete watching this video. Right now, this is our trade for swing. As you can see, here are levels marked already, which I have placed for you guys. Here is our inside bar, right? This is our inside bar, this is our mother bar candle, right? And now we have a we have this trade on 4 hour time frame. Make sure, please enter this into this trade on the 4 hour time frame, just because you are trading for swing, right? Okay, you will hold this trade for some days to book your profits, and make sure keep your stop loss tight as per the rules. Right now, let's mark the levels for entry and for stop loss and for target as well. Okay, here is our entry area, right? Here is our entry area. As you can see, we have a early entry at this level right here. Let's mark it. This is our entry level, as this is the high of this mother bar candle, which taken out with this candle right here. And now we have entered into this trade, as considered this trade as a safe trade when it breaks this high, as you can see here, this candle high, right? Those who want to take this trade, they can also enter right here as well. And our target will be 1 is to 1.5, right? You can hold your trade for 1 is to 1.5, right? And now here is our 1 is to 1.5 target right here. Okay, let's discuss about this stop loss area. As the the early entry was this level, that is already taken out now as I am recording this video. Right now the market is here, and this is the level that is very safe entry level, right? So those who want to take entry into this trade, they can enter here as well. And if you enter here, right, if you enter here, you can place your stop loss below this candle, right, below this candle. And now you can hold for this trade 1 is to 1, 1 is to 1, right? For your first target 1 is to 1, then you will hold your trade for 1 is to 1.5, right? And make sure you will book your quantity at 1 is to 1. It depends on you whether you are booking your profits with 50% quantity or whether you are booking your profits with full quantity at 1 is to 1. Okay, it's all up to you, but make sure book your 50% quantity or some quantity at 1:1 risk to reward ratio when the market gives you, right? And then you will hold your trade till the 1:1.5 and for 1:2 ratio, right? Okay, fine. Make sure the key exit rule is to book your some quantity at 1:1, then hold your trade for 1:1.5 or 1:2 ratio, right? Okay, this is our trade setup for swing, that is Solana USD dollar. This is our cryptocurrency in which we are planning to trade for swing, right? Okay, let's discuss second cryptocurrency that I have marked for you, which can give you a very good swing trade, right? Here are entry levels. As you can see, this is a market structure forming that is called swing lows formation, right? Let's discuss about it. Okay, as you can see here, when market reaches to this level here and start falling from that and making a swing lows, when it breaks this previous swing low, makes a new swing low, again it makes a new swing low here it is, and then when it doesn't able to make a new swing low, it means we have a good sign of a W pattern recovery or a consolidation range formation. When the market breaks that consolidation range, you can take an entry for the upside trade, right? Or it can go downside as well. It's all up to the market, but we analyze the trend, we analyze the market structure. Upon that, based on that analysis, we can predict the market move for some certain boundaries, right? Okay, this is our resistance zone, which is forming and tested already 3 to 4 times. Now the market, if market will give the breakout of this resistance zone, we will look for an inside bar, right? We will look for an inside bar, and then when market form the inside bar, we will enter into a trade above the high of the inside bar, right? And place your stop loss below the mother bar candle. Okay, you will enter into the trade when market gives the breakout of this resistance zone and then form the inside bar. After formation of the inside bar, you will enter into a trade above the high of the mother bar candle, right? And you will place your stop loss at the low of that mother bar candle. Okay, I hope you understand the point well, right? This is two cryptocurrencies which I have found for you guys for a swing trade setup, right? Here, let's recap this. First one is Solana USD on a 4 hour time frame. This is our entry level at one. Okay, this is our entry level, that is 210 USD dollar, right? Currently, and you will enter into this trade right now here as well, as this setup already formed and gives a breakout of the inside bar and mother bar, right? Okay, this is your entry level and this is your stop loss level, right? At almost below this candle, right? Below this candle, you can hold this trade for 1:1 and for 1:1.5 risk to reward ratio, and make sure book your profits at 1:1 with some quantity. Let's see if there is any other cryptocurrencies which forming a very good pattern for swing trades. Let's see. Okay, we have a very good support area in XRP USD dollar, where market takes a support several times, and at this point it gives a reversal, very sharp reversal, right, on a daily time frame. And here as well, it is a inside bar after the breakout of the mother bar. It boom. Let's see if there is any trade setup forming for swing, right? Let's see. We have a trend line, right? We have trend line that is formed, right? And tested one, two, and coming to the trend line. Market is coming to the trend line third time, right? Okay, fine. If market touches this trend line and start consolidating here, that is already consolidating here, and gives a good consolidation range here, and if market sustain successfully here and gives a consolidation, then gives a breakout of this zone, then we will enter into a trade after the inside bar formation, right? If market gives a breakout of this trend line and this consolidation, then we will enter into a trade after the breakout when market forms the inside bar, right? It can be here as well, right? As like, right? Okay, now you will enter into this like this. If it creates this scenario, okay, I'm just planning a trade, or as per my predictions, my analysis, right? There's a trend line here, okay, 1 2 and 3, tested third times, right? Testing third times the trend line, and then if it able to sustain here, then make sure it can be a good upside trade, because the probability of this trade will be high if it sustained here and gives a breakout, and after the breakout you will make sure that the market must form the inside bar. After the inside bar, then only you will enter into a trade above the high of this mother bar candle, right? Okay, this is a trade plan for XRP USD if it works. Avoid if doesn't give the consolidation rate. And one more thing, if it breaks out this trend line, right? If it breaks out this trend line, there is also another condition can be happen here. If it breaks out this trend line right here, you can look for the inside bar and then enter into a trade above the high of the mother bar candle, right? Okay, fine. Let's see gold. Okay, and here there's some little bit consolidation at this level, and you can look for a upside trade with a small target, right? Here if it breaks out this level and gives the inside bar, you can enter into a trade above the high of the mother bar candle, and make sure if you are entering into this trade, right, based on this structure, it will be a very, you know, it can be a quick booking, profit booking trade, right? That can be 1:1 as well. Okay, so today we discussed two cryptocurrencies for swing trade, right? Here it is. As first is Solana USD, that gives the entry already and you can enter now here as well. And second one is Tron, right? That also forming a good price structure, right? Also making a good consolidation, sustaining these levels, and if it breaks out this level and gives an inside bar, then you will enter into a trade above the high of the mother bar candle, right? Okay, let's close this session, guys. I hope you like the video. I hope you understand this setup that I told you in this video for two cryptocurrencies for a swing trade, right? Okay, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and put your comment in the comment box so that I can understand what you have learned or what you want to learn from me, right? Okay, thank you so much for watching again. I hope you're safe and healthy. I love you all. Take care, guys. Bye bye.